Well, it's day 136 of things I cut with my Bushcraft blades, Sweetwater Creek Senator, the stag handle version. Let's cut into a milk carton today, shall we? Just take it easy today after the pain in the ass we had with the paper cuts yesterday. And the pain in the ass we had with the paper cuts yesterday was just due to humidity. So we're going to cut through this, handle and all, as much as we can today. Hopefully I'm in frame. I'm just going to keep on cutting through the milk carton as much as possible. Now, is there enough integrity left to cut around the lid and remove it? Probably not, but we're going to try. And yes, I am going to move my hand. Well, not enough to remove it entirely, but as we can see, shredded milk carton. That will do for day 136 of things I cut with my Bushcraft blades, Sweetwater Creek Senator.